Welcome to ChinaSecurities.com and Chinese Stocks TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing the best press release out of the Chinese small and mid-cap space every morning at the open, so you can hopefully profit from them and maybe find your next-rate Chinese investments. Monday, March the 14th, I've got two great press releases for you. Let's get straight to them. First up, APWR Systems trades on the NASDAQ under the stock symbol APWR. They announced that they won a $30.5 million contract to build biomass power plant in China. This company is a distributed power generation, is a leading provider of distributed power generation systems in China and a manufacturer of wind turbines. They've been contracted to develop a biomass power plant consisting of two 15-megawatt power generation units for the Xin County Guangzhou Biomass Power Generation LLC. The project is expected to begin shortly and to be completed by mid-2012, so it's going to begin shortly and hit revenues almost right away. The company also operates one of the largest wind turbine manufacturing facilities in China. Closed on Friday, $4.91. 52-week high, $13.33. 52-week low, $4.55. So it's trading pretty much at the 52-week low and a significant haircut. Now, as you know, there have been significant problems in the Chinese space with respect to transparency and some credibility issues. However, I do strongly believe the babies are being thrown out with the bathwater. Opportunists are stepping in to fill information gaps, information voids, and filling those voids by putting out misleading information as to the credibility and quality of these companies. APWR just may be one of those companies. Given the significant press release it just issued today, you've got to do your own due diligence. I'm not making any warranties here because I haven't done mine yet. But if they're getting these kind of contracts, worth looking into, and you may be able to pick up this stock at a really cheap level and unwarranted level. Next up, Sinohub trades on the NYSE amex under SIHI. They announced that they reported record fourth quarter and full year numbers for 2010. The company says they're a rapidly growing electronics company. Amongst other things, they're engaged in the private label custom design of mobile phone manufacturing. Here are the highlights. They put out their fourth quarter and their annuals. I'm going to give you their annuals. Revenue, $196.7 million. That's up 53%. Net income, $19.1 million. That's up 54%. Diluted earnings per share, 67 cents. That's up 40%. Why is that important? The company closed on Friday at $2.95. So essentially, you're getting this company for a little more than 4 times earnings. Again, this may be an example of a baby being thrown out with the bathwater here. 52-week trading range, $1.67 on the low, $3.50 on the high. So it is trading closer to the upper end of its 52-week trading range. But at these multiples, still cheap. Do your own due diligence and find out if you discover perhaps another baby in the bathwater there that you can capitalize on. That's a wrap. As always, quality over quantity. 2 great press releases for you. Great numbers for you to go do your own due diligence. If you look for more great Chinese small mid-cap companies and you're not on the front page of ChinaSecurities.com, get there. Watch the show on a daily basis. Watch the archive shows through YouTube, iTunes, or your preferred video provider. Take a look at the best headlines coming out of the entire space of about 250 companies that we're covering right now. We've separated those by industry right on the front page for you, so you can go back over the past few days. And finally, get stuff into the directory where we're covering those companies. I got succinct descriptions of each one of the companies. Plus, you can filter the list by industry and or exchange to bring that down to a list that best suits your portfolio needs. That's a wrap. Have a great day. See you tomorrow.